Today I share with you another Nigerian cooking video and it is about how to make beans. If you love to eat beans, then you should watch this video to the end. Here I have my oloyin beans. My oloyin beans has been properly picked and cleaned. Now I'll clean it in water. So you know that for beans, in fact, it is a must for you to pick beans if you are cooking Nigerian beans because Nigerian beans comes with a lot of dirt, stones and chaff. So you must pick out all those things before you rinse it and cook it. Also, I like to say if you are interested in Nigerian foods and how to prepare them, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post my videos. Thank you. Now I'll pour some water into my pot. I'll also be adding the cleaned oloyin beans. I'll cover this and cook it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what my beans looks like. It is not properly cooked yet, but then the water is drying up. So I'll add a little bit more water and then cook it again. The idea here is to add water little by little so that your beans doesn't get too watery. At this point, it is almost properly cooked. In fact, it is very soft. You can eat these beans with rice. So I just added some salt. I'll be adding some sugar and of course some honey. If you would like the detailed recipe, the detailed measurements of all the ingredients, you can find all of that on the onlinecook.com. That's my food blog. Also, please like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and of course, like I would always say, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I just mix the beans and I'll be cooking it again for 10 more minutes. So at this point, you have to keep mixing the beans at regular intervals because it will start to stick to the bottom of the pot and you don't want your beans to burn. Yes, you don't want to have that burnt taste in these beans. I would also mix it again after about 10 minutes and you would see that it is already sticking to the pot by the movement of my spoon. Nonetheless, the base is still not as thick as I want it to be. Yes. So I would cook it again for about 5 minutes. But at this point, the base is already soft. I just need it to be thick. After 5 minutes, now this is what my beans looks like. And it is time to mash it. You can see that the beans is really sticking to the pot. So this is the reason why you need to mix it up well. Now, this is how I got my super thick beans simply by mashing it with my potato masher. You can also use your turning stick or you can use your spoon, whichever one you have. I like to use my potato masher because it's really fast and it gets the job done as fast as possible. So after using my potato masher, voila, my thick beans is ready. Now let me mix it so you can see. Do you see how thick this beans is? Hey, imagine you are eating these beans with bread or you are eating it with rice on the side, or you are enjoying it with a bowl like I posted in my other video. Remember, I posted my Igbo video the last time I posted my Nigerian cooking video, and I told you I would share with you how I made the beans. Well, this is a recipe of how I made that beans that is beside my Igbo video. If you've not watched the video, you can go to my page and you will see the video there. And if you like to eat the beans with something spicy, oh, get a delicious pepper sauce. You would also see that video on my blog. And then see, you see, for my spicy food lovers, this is like a must. But then, as I always say, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And remember, good food should be enjoyed always. Bye.